Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. If you enjoy home decorating, DIYs, thrift flips, tablescapes, and vignettes, you have reached the right lifestyle channel. Today I'm doing a DIY for a collaboration, and I'll talk to you a little bit more about that later on. So I'm starting off with this lace fan from the Dollar Tree, and I'm removing the red floral fabric, and I'm coming back in with a Dollar Tree lace doily. I'm cutting it in half to give it the right sizing, and then I'm going to hot glue those lace pieces onto each prong of the fan. Once I'm finished with that, I'll hot glue each lace piece together to make it one solid piece of lace. And I hope I explained that well. Next, I'm going to embellish it with some Dollar Tree pearls. And lastly, I'm going to come in with gold Mardi Gras beads to give it a tassel at the end to replace the tassel that I removed. And that's it. DIY number 1 completed. I really love the way this first DIY came together, and I hope you like it too. Today I'm participating in the Leather and Lace Open Collaboration, hosted by Junkernecker DIY and Broke Girl Aesthetic. Links to both their channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So let's move on to the second project. I picked up these Dollar Tree coasters some time ago, and I really had no idea what I was going to do with them. But when this collaboration came up, I had a brainstorm. Let's make leather coasters. So I had in my stash some leather look vinyl that I used in my van build. So I'm simply covering these coasters in the leather fabric, and voila, leather coasters. I hope you like this one too. Now, if you haven't done so, I invite you to become part of the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that subscribe button and baby, hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Now you know how we've all seen those fancy leather-bound books. I picked up this book from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to give it that leather-bound look by covering it in my faux leather fabric. So I removed the book jacket, and I'm going to cut it to size and hot glue the leather fabric onto the book jacket. And then I'm going to go around the edges of the book binding with some additional fabric just to give it a complete look. When I'm done, I'm going to wrap it a couple of times in some jute twine, and there we have it. DIY number 3. I hope you've enjoyed all of these quick and easy Dollar Tree DIY projects and that they give you inspiration. Please make sure you stop by our host channels and show them some love. And visit the playlist to see all of these phenomenal creators and what they are bringing to the table for this leather and lace collaboration. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you stay tuned till the end for the final reveal.